Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Let's have a look around the Robina Lego store today. Robina has the new Friends set on display at the front of the store. If it's your first time watching our channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel as we do monthly updates on the Robina Lego store. The planograms have changed, so the Friends sets are at the front of the store where the Technic sets used to be. A few Christmas sets still on the shelves, and the new Taj Mahal's in stock. This is a good small little set as you can display it in the IKEA glass cabinets, whereas the large set is very hard to display with limited space. Really impressed with the new range of Harry Potter sets, definitely better than some of the older ones. So if you're a Harry Potter fan, make sure you check out the new sets, you might see something you like. If you're getting value out of these videos, make sure you hit the like button. This helps get the word out to others who may be interested. The new world map set is in stock. Not sure how I feel about this set really. Let me know if you got it and built it in the comments below. Let's take a look at the pick and brick wall. Hopefully we should start to see some new wall elements in the next couple of weeks. So if you want any of the existing range, get down to the store now before all the old elements sell out. If you haven't seen my brick resale store video, I'll link it at the end of this video so you can watch it. It's very interesting. We are starting the World of Bricks channel. I'm going to start off with a couple of old vintage builds and some simple Lego building techniques. Then we will get into some decent mock builds, so watch out for that. Make sure you subscribe to that channel as I'm going to need all the support I can get. So who managed to get the Lego typewriter this morning? Make sure you subscribe to the channel as we do monthly updates on the Chermside and Dreamworld Lego stores. Decent range of Minecraft sets in stock. Does anyone collect the Lego Mindstorms? How do you feel about that one? Plenty of brickheads available at Robina. a fair amount of space shuttles. Definitely grab the Ghostbusters Echo 1 set, really fun build. Thanks for watching everyone, hit the subscribe button, I'll see you in the next video.